Hey, what's up, everybody? So we just got a phone call from a customer, and we're headed that direction right now. She mentioned that she had, I guess she lives on a hill, and she reversed her car, or she parked it in the driveway, and was at the top of the hill and left it in neutral, and got out to go get the mail. And do take into consideration that she is an older lady, so I guess she forgot, she had left the vehicle neutral or whatnot, and then went to go get the mail. As she got out of the vehicle and when she was returning with the mail, she noticed that her car had rolled down the hill and hit the garage. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna drive over there, see what the damage is, and give her a quote and see if we can get this job done. So stay tuned and let's see what it looks like. We will show you when we get there. We're back again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So now what happened is the customer parked the vehicle up there at the top of the hill, rolled down and hit this side, caused all of this to come off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of this down and we're gonna reset it. You can see it's got cracks all the way up to here, goes up to there. This is the side with the most damage, so this is the side where the most repair is going to be happening. Now, like I mentioned, we're going to take everything out, reset everything, and build our way up. The goal is to keep everything, all the joints broken. So you can see that there's a joint here and another one comes across here. There's a joint one here and another one comes across here. So that's the goal. That's what we'll be doing. We'll also be following there on this side. We'll also be repairing this side and doing this in here. It's kind of hard to see because it got dark already, but there's a bunch of cracks. There's a crack right here. You can see this loose. This stone came loose over here and it just goes all the way up there. So most likely what's going to have to happen is we're going to be taking all of this down and resetting it all. So follow, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the repair on this job. Thank you. You guys have a good one.